Here we have a 2019 BMW X5 XDRIVE30D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 21-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED headlights, the black kidney grills at the front. We also have the carbon style performance kit, which includes the front splitter just here. We also have the side skirts along the bottom, the rear diffuser and the spoilers as well. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, private glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the black roof rails. We also have the pano glass roof just there. We have the shark fin antennae, and again the carbon just there on the spoiler, along with a bit more just down here. We have 360-degree cameras with front and rear parking sensors. We have the M Sports exhaust system, again the carbon rear diffuser just down there, the power assisted tailgate, and this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Let's come around now, let's take a look at the interior. Inside of here you'll find the full black leather interior with the foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points as well. We also have the ambient lighting just on the doors there. Taking a look now at the front, you'll find the same full black leather interior. However, both of these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable just down there. The driver's side has the memory function as well. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We have the electric windows with trailer for the rear, electric power folding mirrors as well. Just down here you'll find the auto lights. We also have the auto wipers as well just there. Multifunctional steering wheel, which is also electrically adjustable. We have the cruise control and speed limiter, the paddle shifters on both sides, digital dashboard. We have a heads-up display as well. There is a look at the main infotainment screen where you find the likes of SatNav, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We also have all of the different drive modes, the air suspension, ambient lighting and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.